Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。位于狮头山尾的峨眉乡，有腾平古道、六寮古道、茶亭步道、狮山古道、圆山步道、水莲桥步道串成环状路线，为客家先民运送物资的老路，现为休闲好去处。其中最短好走的水莲桥步道，建于日本时代，用糯米、黑糖、石灰当粘着剂的石砌拱桥，称糯米桥，也是早期往来北埔、峨眉与南中的必经桥梁。经过多次地震，仍屹立不摇，表现客家先民的智慧结晶。
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt. I'm Joseph Lin.
And I'm Nancy Sun.
Hey, Nancy, I'm sure you like the nature, right?
Definitely.
We're going to take you to Hsinchu County today to a town known as Emei. And they have a lot of great trails over here that were left behind from back in the days when the Hakka did business from town to town and travel on these paths.
That sounds like the Silk Road. It's this network of routes for trade, and it spanned from China all the way west to the Mediterranean Sea.
Yep.
And of course, it's used for, trading silk, but there was also other goods and spices and even technology and philosophy.
Exactly.
Right.
But that's a much larger scale, right?
Right.
That crosses thousands and thousands of miles. We're talking about little trails between towns here in Emei. And there's one particular one you should check out. It has easy access, and there is a bridge that you need to go see. The trail is called 水莲桥步道, and the bridge is called 糯米桥. 糯米橋.
Nomikyo.
You got your Hakka right. It is made of glutinous rice, believe it or not, plus brown sugar and some lime. Delicious.
It sounds functional and delicious.
Don't eat the bridge, though, okay? You're going to break your teeth.
Well, speaking of bridges, there's also the Camino del Rey in Spain.
Wait a minute. Camino del Rey. That sounds familiar. Like in California, we have a lot of roads that are named El Camino Real.
Right.
I think it means the Royal Road or something.
Yeah, actually, the name in Spanish is the King's Pathway. And that's because a king actually crossed this pathway 100 years ago.
Yes.
And so it's basically this tiny little pathway built along a gorge in Spain. And it's only 1 meter wide, but it's hundreds of meters up in the air. So it's often called the world's most dangerous walkway. And it's used basically to carry supplies and building materials between these two waterfalls.
Now, that serves the same purpose as, the Hakka doing business too, right?
Right,
Connecting people from one place to another. 好，Leo 老师，我们现在来教大家糯米桥里面的一些成分好了。
好，
包括这个桥啦。
Kiel,
Kiel, that's the bridge. 然后叫糯米桥
no mi kiel.
No mi kiel, which is actually glutinous rice bridge. And there's also brown sugar, 有黑糖
无糖
无糖 And now you know, that does today's Talk About Hakka on Icrt. 按此say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.